Our next guest, he's been on the show before, important guy. He made the Narcan nasal spray to treat opioid overdoses. He says the opioid crisis is now all about fentanyl. Roger Crystal is our guest. He's the CEO of Opiant Pharmaceuticals. Roger, welcome to the program. Good to see you back again.
Thank you.
Now, why do you say that it's no longer just the opioid crisis, it is the fentanyl crisis? Why? What's going on?
Well, fentanyl is obviously an opioid, but
Sure.
It's 50 times stronger than heroin and some of these other opioid painkillers. It also lasts a lot longer. It lasts for 7 to 8 hours in the blood. Over half of the opioid overdose deaths in 2017 came from fentanyl, 55%. So when someone's overdosed and they're not responsive, we have to assume that that person has overdosed now on fentanyl rather than just perhaps heroin or one of the painkillers.
Your Narcan nasal spray is designed to treat overdoses of opioids. Can it treat an overdose of opioids mixed in with fentanyl?
Well, we believe it can. However, there's certain limitations, and that's why we are developing another product, a nasal nalmefene product that we think is better suited for a
Nasal what?
Nalmefene.
What's that mean?
So nalmefene is similar to naloxone, except it lasts for longer and it binds tighter to opioid receptors in the brain. So what that means is we believe that if you were to overdose on fentanyl, it probably would be a better drug to treat that type of an overdose. But naloxone does work, hence the Narcan nasal spray is being used very broadly, and we're very pleased that it's out there saving lives.
We've heard from the President and some other people in the executive branch that this fentanyl is coming largely from China. Is that true?
As far as I'm aware, absolutely. China seems to be the main source of where fentanyl comes from. However, what we do know is that fentanyl is actually a relatively easy drug to manufacture. It doesn't take much more than a half-competent chemist. So our concern as a company, and just with the expertise we have in this field, is that if we were, and we still hope we do, restrict that, the importation of fentanyl from China, but nevertheless, people would be able to make it here as well.
How long before you've got a product which could take care of a fentanyl overdose?
We are targeting filing for approval in 2020, so that's relatively quick in terms of drug development.
We're a long way away.
We are, well, if you think about the timescale it took to develop the Narcan nasal spray, that was about 3 years. So this is still quicker than that. And in the meantime, we do have Narcan nasal spray available. It does require probably a lot more naloxone to revive someone who's overdosed on fentanyl, but it is out there and it is being used, and we're very pleased to see it getting out even to more people.
Lifesaver. Roger Crystal, thank you very much indeed for being with us this morning. We appreciate it, sir. Thank you.